Navigating the different areas of the patient part of the EMR, I have now had my mouse clicked on the patient section on the left-hand side, and then when I bring my mouse back over, I get into the patient area of the EMR. So you have the list of patients on the left-hand side, and then along the top are the different sections of the patient's charts. Their information section, insurance section, payment section, visits and receipts, which is the accounting part of the software, the notes, the documents, the signature, and then the telehealth if it's being utilized. So once you've added your patient, when you highlight their name is now highlighted. These areas at the top here are relating to that specific patient's information and in their chart.